half double crochet decrease or half double crochet 2 together. When you're making a half double crochet decrease, you're starting with 2 stitches on the bottom and you're ending up with only 1 stitch on top. Half double crochet decreases are a little bit different than a single or double crochet decrease, but it's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. Let's do it together. Begin with a yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch that will begin the decrease. Yarn over and pull up a loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch that will complete the decrease. Yarn over and pull up a loop. There are 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 5. That is a half double crochet decrease.